Hello everyone, myself Vidushi Srivastava, student of Star Hybrid. I am going to inform you about our new education policy reforms and its benefit to students. The major reform under this policy are e-content available in Hindi and English will also be available in 8 regional languages initially, like Kannada, Oriya, Bengali among others. The 10 plus 2 structure will be modified into a new 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 format covering the ages 3 to 18. There will be no rigid formation of streams of arts, science, commerce. The students can take up whichever course they want. The students will be allowed to take up the coding from class 6th onwards only in order to reduce the importance and stress of the exams. Now, the board examinations will also undergo a huge change. The exams will be conducted in two parts, that is objective and descriptive. The exams can be conducted twice a year also. The students will get a 360-degree holistic report card. Now, the report card will not only inform about the marks that has been obtained by the students, but also their skills and other important points. Apart from the teachers, the report card will also be reviewed by the students. A national mission on foundational literacy and numeracy will set up by the Ministry of Human Resource Development. The major benefit which students will be getting through this policy are for foundation years of ages, that is age group of 3 to 8, they will focus on developmental skills, language skills and teaching by play method. And for preparatory years of stages, like for 3 years, age group of 8 to 11 years, that will focus on experimental learning, development of language, numeracy skills in mother tongue and also in their local languages. For secondary stages and higher secondary stages, the focus will be on multidisciplinary studies and students would be able to pick up the subjects up according to their own choices. The board exams is to be easier, redesigned, and it would test the core competencies rather than memorized facts. The UG is to become more holistic and multidisciplinary. Now, it can be said that in the words of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, 21st century is the era of knowledge. This is the time for increased focus on learning, research, innovation. This is exactly what the Indian National Education Policy 2020 does. So for conclusion, I can say that we are entering a new era of education in which researches will not require people mugging up, but the knowledge is the pure knowledge only. Thank you and have a nice day.